So this is part 2. Once you have established your schedule and the things that you need to do in order to have a work-life balance, we're on to plotting it sa ating calendar. First thing that I want you to do is to visualize what the perfect day looks like. Anong oras ka matutulog? When you think about the time that you want to sleep, what you want to think about is anong oras ko gustong gumising. And so once you have that established, you have to plot it on your calendar. Click nyo yung create, event, and then may lalabas ng ganyan. Lagyan nyo siya ng pangalan. I like putting personal time para alam kung para sa sarili ko yon. And then, yung time, change it kung anong oras nyo kailangang matulog para magkaroon kayo ng 8 hours of sleep. And since I wanna wake up at 4 a.m., I click on 4. This is just going extra, but I make sure na nakaayos yung time zone niya. At saka sa bandang baba, yung alarm, gusto ko nakaset siya like 10 minutes before. Para tumutunog yung cellphone ko, nag-a-alarm siya 10 minutes before oras ng pagtulog ko. Once you're done, click save. So ngayon, lalabas na siya, di ba? This is where I do things a little bit differently because kino-combine ko na siya sa pagkaka-plot sa calendar ko plus pwede ko siyang gawing some sort of task management app na mache-checkan ko siya kapag na-complete ko na. Going back, we have to do build ha. Let's do something good for our body, yourself, your investment, your loved ones, and your self-development. Once na nakaplot na yung oras ng tulog ko, I go here sa Google Task. I click on that. And then I create a task by clicking Add Task. I add a task, nilalagay ko personal time, body, and then I put the date, and then I set the time. So for example, I wake up at 4 a.m. I want to do that at 4:30. And then I set it to repeat every day. And then I hit on OK. I add another task, personal, OBAP meaning Oplan Balik Alindog program. I set it at 5 a.m. Mali, 5 p.m. ang nalagay ko. Attention to details, guys. So 5 a.m. Yan, pack. I do the same thing para naman sa aking loved ones. So I prepare breakfast. All you have to do is refresh your calendar, guys. Pack at makikita ninyo andito na sa calendar ninyo yung mga schedule ninyo for the day. Pack. It's all here. And this is just an example, guys, on how a perfect day for me looks like. Iba-iba tayo ng schedule. One thing I like about doing this is that once I'm done exercising, all I have to do is click here and then mark as completed. And it will put that line on top. So, on to the next task. Mark as complete. Nakapag-exercise na ako. On to the next task. Breakfast, mark as complete, and this is how it will look like. So when people ask me like, how are you able to do all of these things? I just keep my calendar and my task list organized. This is actually my calendar. Mukha lang siyang magulo, but guys, in reality, I move things around based on necessity. Ang haba part 3.